Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In this tutorial, we will create a simple Django project with Django REST Framework, DRF, and set up API documentation using Swagger UI. We will cover the following steps. 1. Setting up the Django project. 2. Creating a simple API with DRF. 3. Integrating Swagger UI for API documentation. 4. Running the application and viewing the Swagger UI. Step 1. Setting up the Django project. First, ensure you have Python and pip installed. You can then create a new Django project and install the necessary packages. 1. Create a new directory for your project and navigate into it *. Bash. mkdir Django_drf_swagger. cd Django_drf_swagger. 2. Create a virtual environment, optional but recommended. Bash. Python venv. Source venv/bin/activate on Windows. Use venv \scripts \activate. 3. Install Django and Django REST Framework *. Bash. Pip install Django REST Framework drf yisk. 4. Create a new Django project *. Bash. Django admin start project mproject. cd mproject. 5. Create a new Django app *. Bash. Python manage.py start app my app. 6. Add the app and the required packages to settings.py *. Open mproject/settings.py and add my app, REST_framework, and drf_yisk to the installed_apps list. Python. Installed_apps equals REST_framework. My app. drf_yisk. Step 2. Creating a simple API with DRF. Now, let's create a simple API. We will create a model and a serializer for it. 1. Define a simple model in my app/models.py *. Python. From Django.db import models. Class item, models.model. Name equals models.charfield, max_length equals 100. Description equals models.text field. def__str__, self. Return self.name. 2. Create a serializer for the model in my app/serializers.py *. Python. From REST_framework import serializers. From .models import item. Class item serializer, serializers.model serializer. Class meta. Model equals item. Fields equals __all__. 3. Create a view for the API in my app/views.py *. Python. From REST_framework import generics. From .models import item. From .serializers import item serializer. Class item list create, generics.list create API view. Query set equals item.objects.all. Serializer_class equals item serializer. 4. Set up the URLs in my app/urls.py *. Create a new file my app/urls.py and add the following code. Python. From Django.urls import path. From .views import item list create. URL patterns equals path, item/, item list create .as_view, name equals item list create. 5. Include the app URLs in the main urls.py *. Open mproject/urls.py and include the app's URLs. Python. From Django.contribution import admin. From Django.urls import path, include URL patterns equals path, admin/, administration site.urls. Path, API/include, myapp.urls. 6. Make migrations and create a super user, optional. Bash. Python manage.py make migrations. Python manage.py migrate. Python manage.py create super user follow the prompts. Step 3, integrating Swagger UI for API documentation. Now we will set up Swagger UI using drfyisk. 1. Create Swagger URLs in myproject/urls.py*. Modify myproject/urls.py to include Swagger documentation. Python. From Django.contribution import admin. From Django.urls import path, include. From drf_yisk.views import get_schema_view. From drf_yisk import OpenAPI. Schema_view equals get_schema_view. OpenAPI.info. Title equals my API. Default_version equals v1. Description equals test description. Terms_of_service equals https://www.google.com/policies/terms/. Contact equals openapi.contact, email equals contact@myappy.local. License equals openapi.license, name equals BSD license. Public equals true. URL patterns equals. Path, admin/administration site.urls. Path, API/include, myapp.urls. Path, swagger/schema_view.with_UI, swagger, cache_timeout equals 0, name equals schema swagger UI. Path, redoc/schema_view.with_UI, redoc, cache_timeout equals 0, name equals schema redoc. Step 4, running the application and viewing the Swagger UI. 1. Run the Django development server *. Bash. Python manage.py runs a var. 2. Access the Swagger UI *. Open your web browser and go to http://127.0.0.1:8000/swagger/. You should see the Swagger UI with your API endpoints documented. You can access the redoc documentation at http://127.0.0.1:8000/redoc/. Conclusion. You have now successfully set up a Django project with Django REST framework and integrated Swagger UI for API documentation. You can further expand this project by adding more models, views, and endpoints as needed. Swagger UI provides a great interface for testing your APIs directly from the browser, making it easy to explore your API's capabilities.